911. What's the address of the emergency?
I'm on Hammer Lane. Some guy just is armed with a weapon, told me to call 911.
I'm sorry?
I'm on Hammer Lane at Chevron, and a guy is armed with a weapon, said call 911 for him.
Okay, which Chevron are you at?
On Hammer Lane by I-5.
By I-5? Okay, and this person came up to you?
Yes, he said call 911, pull out his weapon. I'm about to leave right now. I'm not safe. But can you please send somebody?
What type of weapon did they have?
It looked like it was a Glock 45.
Okay. And he told you to call 911?
Yes, he pulled out his weapon, said he strapped with a weapon.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
Yeah, I need you guys to come to me right now.
I'm sorry?
I need you guys to come to me right now.
Where are you at?
I'm on Hammer past I-5 on the next to the budget there to talk about the Jack in the Box.
Oh, are you in the Jack in the Box parking lot?
Yes.
Okay. What's your name?
I just need you guys to come to me. I'm armed.
Okay. What type of car are you in?
It's 22 white Toyota Camry.
Okay. Why are you crying? What's going on?
It doesn't fucking matter. I just need you guys to fucking handle me. I need you guys to come do it for me.
Okay, what's going on?
No, I need you guys to go do it for me. I can't do it myself.
911, what is your emergency?
Yeah, I'm held hostage at gunpoint right now.
Where are you at?
By Rico.
Okay.
You just said fucking you.
Where are you at?
Hammer Lane? Yeah. What?
Okay, I'm going to keep you on the line, okay? Where are you calling from?
Hammer Lane?
Hammer?
Yes.
Apartment what? What is your name? Oh, I'm going to keep you on the line, okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, you ain't got no fucking point now. You ain't got no choice now, right?
Are you guys inside?
Yes, he has me hostage right now at gunpoint.
Okay.
All right. Well,
Is he on the phone with somebody?
give me a fucking bit. Hey, there it is. Hey,
is it the name of the business? What's the name of the business, sir?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What is it? What?
Can I back up or? Okay. Oh, there they are right there.
Rico sees them. I'm going to keep you on the line.
Rico's in here. He's coming out. He's coming out.
Okay, he said that he's coming out. Okay, hold on, okay?
Hey, easy.
I got eyes on him. Hey, he's got a vest on. He's got a vest on. He's got his hands up empty. Hands behind his hat. He's got his hands behind his fucking hat. Hey, he's got a gun.
Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Don't
do it! Keep your hands down, man. I don't want to shoot you. I don't want to shoot you. I don't want to shoot you, man. I don't want to shoot you, man. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Don't do it.
different, you and I, bud. We went to the same high school.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, high.
I don't fucking care.
I'm telling you, we're the
Does that
same.
mean something? What does that mean?
It does mean
It
something.
doesn't mean
No different than me.
It doesn't mean
Just put it down so
No,
we can
it
talk
doesn't
to
mean
you.
you went to the same high school. What's wrong with that, dude?
We did. It's okay, high school. We played football together.
Nobody cares.
I care. That's
Why?
why we're here.
Why?
We're here to help you.
Why? Because we're in the same high school?
Yeah, that shows you how close we are.
No, dude.
Yeah, it
no,
does.
You're not close. I don't know you.
I'm telling you, we're the same, man. Just put it down so we can talk.
You gotta put the shield in the crook of the window. You're not trying to lower your window.
Stop, stop, stop. Back up! Back up your car! Back it up!
God, he's pointing his gun at that citizen. He's pointing his gun. Stay in the car! Pointing his gun at that citizen. He's pointing his gun.